Today, Bank Nifty from the morning it was very bit neutral to mild upside. Then we saw some sort of selling pressure having happened, and it came all the way down to 23,577 in futures. So I used to give the numbers in futures only, F&O only, Bank Nifty futures. So we have 1 minute. So what we want to do is we should have a clean note about the Bank Nifty moves. Not only we should see the closing rates, we should see the volume also. That is what I had been insisting in all my meetings. So everywhere, anytime and every time we want to see the volume. If suppose 10 points is going upside, what is the change in the volume? If 100 points are down, what is the change in the volume? So these changes will give some impact in the price action. So this will give some sort of targets for us also. So we want to calculate accordingly so that we'll get some clear direction. If it is in a selling side, if the volumes are very high, it may come down further. Or if the volumes are little bit less, it may bounce back. So this is how we have to calculate. So in my view, today Bank Nifty, I just want to share the chart of the Bank Nifty today. This is Bank Nifty's chart, 1 minute chart. Right from the morning, from this high, 24,277, it all the way came down. And it consolidated around these levels for a maximum around 1.5 to 2 hours, more than 2 hours. Here the fall was continuous for 2 hours, and here it is consolidating and little bit upside. And this shows that selling is over. So now some sort of buying is happening in this level. So it may bounce back further another 100 to 150 points from this level, maybe around 24,000 also. But as such, so far, what all things happen, we want to see. For this, I like to give some more details. Here, you can, I think everyone can view this rates what I had given. Morning 9:15 market opened, and 9:46 time frame. Nifty high was 24,174, and the total traded volume was 10 lakhs that particular time. Morning 9:46. Then around 10:45, almost 50 minutes time. In 50 minutes time frame, Nifty moved only 100 points from the previous high. So that means with the 10 lakhs volume, it went up in 50 minutes. Okay. Now what happened? The closing rate was 24,233. The total volume at that particular time was 20 lakhs. And around 11:13, that means just in a matter of 35 minutes, 40 minutes, Bank Nifty volume went to 30 lakhs total traded volume, and the close was 23,995. So 200-300 points correction in a short time frame with a huge volume. This means there will be further downside. This indicates there will be some more downside. So from here, 11:41, that means around not even 30 minutes, 27 minutes, Bank Nifty came to a low of 23,730. That time the total volume was 40 lakhs. Total traded volume, Nifty futures. So here also we can see some sort of sell-off in a very short time frame. We can expect some more downside. So from here, again it came down to 23,665. But here the time was around 35 minutes. So little bit consolidation is happening. Then some lower came down, and from here it went up to 23,733 in 50 minutes. 12:15 to 1 or 4 minutes. These are all approximate this thing, and this particular time only high low. It is not the day's low or day's high. So I had taken this particular time when 60 lakhs total traded volume happened. Now you see here, from here after the sell-off it came down, from here it came down, further it came down, and here some sort of consolidation. It closed about 23,712 at 1 hour 4 minutes. Okay, now Bank Nifty, now it is 23,820. So that means it went up another 100 points. Now the total traded volume is 68 lakhs, almost 70 lakhs we are going to touch. Now the time is 1:45. So it took another 40 minutes to climb this level. That means again it is some buying is happening in Bank Nifty. So from this level, my expectation Bank Nifty may correct up to 23,708 burst scenario. From here, any small correction, then it may close around 23,880 to 90 levels. This is what I expect for the day. So any down around 23,700 to 710, it's a buying opportunity. And my expectation, closing expectation as of now, the activities, it will close around 23,880 levels. So this is what we have to calculate. Now the volume is 68 lakhs, 68,000, 69 lakhs. So Bank Nifty is moving. As I told, when it traded 60 lakhs total volume, their closing rate was 23,712. Now the volume, live volume is 70 lakhs roughly. And the closing rate at present is 23,860. So 150 points up from the previous close, I mean as such on the volume basis, and it is giving some buying momentum. So for the day, I expect Bank Nifty will close anywhere between 23,840 to 880 levels. This is what my view, and it may climb up to 24,000. So this is the way we have to calculate, and this volume theory, when you see the price action along with the volume, if you can calculate according to this, you will get more and more clarification. So always my request for you to is, you see the volume activities, how many sellers are there, how long it will come down. So for today, almost 700 points high low. Bank Nifty total volume is 70 lakhs as of now. So another 1 hour 45 minutes left. So in this 1 hour 45 minutes, I expect another 20 lakhs volume. So today closing volume for Bank Nifty, in my view, it will be around 83 lakhs to 84 lakhs. And the closing rate will be 23,840 to 880. This is what, in my view. In this meantime, it may maximum climb to 24,000 and downside 23,708. So it will be in this band. We can use to try this opportunity to buy when it coming around 700 to 720 levels, or we can sell above 23,980, 970 levels. So we'll get 100 to 150 points in a very short time frame. This is the calculation I got as such in my this thing for Bank Nifty today. So all these things are, it's live rates only. So my request for everyone is, try to give little more importance. Here I didn't see any chart or any activities. I didn't add any indicators. From the morning, I'm just watching the price action. I'm watching the volumes and how it is returning. So everyone might have entered selling in the lower level. Because yesterday's low broken, that means another 700 points is the breakout level target. So like this, everyone has some perceptions. But for today, Bank Nifty volume will be around 80 to 85 lakhs. That means the high-low difference will be around 700 to 750 points. This is what the calculation I got in the morning. Why, you know, because around 11:15, the total volume was 30 lakhs. So if around for 2 hours, if the volume is 30 lakhs, for the whole day, it may be around 80 to 85 lakhs. This is a simple calculation, and we want to know how far it is going up or down. how much it can consolidate, how much it can retrace. So in my view, try to give more importance for the volume. And this is what I have been insisting in my many videos. So please do give more attention for the volume. Now 23,840 is the running rate. Okay, live rate. So volume is almost 70 lakhs. So in my view, any upside another 100 points, it may correct, or any 100 points down, it may bounce back to this level. My closing rate expectation is around 23,840 to 880, maybe 10-20 points plus or minus. This is what my expectation. So for, based on this, you can try to go for call option or put option or anything, whatever we need. Because now after this, it will be in a small range. So buying options is not advisable. It is better to write options, so we'll get some cushioning around 20-50 points if you go a little bit out of money. Okay. Thank you, friends. Anybody having any doubts, you can just ask, please. Hello?
Sir, with the increase in volume, how can we assess whether market is going up or down? That opening and closing.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. We want to see how it is behaving. For 100 points down, if the volumes are increasing rapidly, it is not in anyhow. If every 5 minutes or 2 minutes, volume is going to add. There is no doubt in it. It should not go in a bigger way. That's what I gave a clear detail. Previously, it was 50 minutes for 10 lakhs. Then it was 45 minutes for 10 lakhs. Then 33 minutes for 10 lakhs. That means high volume in a short time frame and heavy sell-off. That means further it may come down. And one part of time it will consolidate. It will take more time to bounce back with low volume. That is the place we want to identify to come out of our selling, or we can try to buy a little. So in my view, that's what, see, in a day or two, you can't learn this. Once you keep on watching it, you'll get some clear idea. That is why I've given all the details. As per the chart also, you know well. Now it is bounced back, and I'm giving today's closing price also my view. So around 840 to 880 levels in futures. Maybe 10-20 points plus or minus, that we don't know. But now from here, it may easily touch around 24,000 or 23,710. So this will be the band for another 1.5 hours. So this much only we can analyze. Any other doubts, sir? Hello? Hello? Anji rating?
Sir, in Zerodha, where we can see the volume?
Yeah, in any website it is there. Traded volume is there. F&O you can see. Or if you are using any terminal buy sell, you are doing any transaction also. In that also, it will give the volume high low for that 1 hour, half an hour, 10 minutes, whatever it is. Any time frame, you will get all the high low difference. What is the total traded quantity? Volume is total traded quantity from the morning. Okay. So along with this, definitely you can get some information, and we have to add some other indicators which we are specialized. Along with that, if you work, you will get much more clarity, and you will get the targets and time frame also. That is more important. Anybody else? Any doubt? So once again, you can see here, everything is clear. It is creating a low, low, low. Here the low is little bit more, and the closing rate is also a little bit high. That means some sort of support have taken this level. So that's why it moved from 23,712 to 860 high somewhere now. That means in a matter of half an hour, 150 points upside. So here we'll get some sort of idea. Every day it won't be the same. Sometimes the volumes will be very dry and there won't be big activities. That day the high low difference in Bank Nifty for the whole day, it will be around 400 to 450 points. And today it is almost 700 points high low difference. 24,277 and 23,565. So around 710 points difference is that. I don't think it will break the low for the closing, and it may close around this level. Anybody, any question? I'll give some other clarifications. It's a learning process only. It is not just, I am giving some awareness without seeing any chart or anything. This will give a better calculation and time target. It is the time, how much it is traveling, how many points it is traveling, where it is consolidating. So the volume will speak everything. So you want to know the language of volume. Once you learn it, you can easily identify, oh, today there will be some sell-off, today there will be some buying. So that's the way you have to calculate. So in my view, I request everyone to once again give little bit importance. In my previous video also I gave the same, and now also I am giving little bit information. And these things you have to learn, you have to watch for some time frame, and then after that you have to implement in your trade. So I request everyone to give little importance for the volume. Anji Reddy, hello. Anybody else? Any doubts? Okay, shall I close the meeting for the day? Okay, friends. Thanks a lot for joining this small information gathering. I'll meet you in some other time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.